Hey, what's going on? What's going on, YouTube? This is Benjamin Ogden here. I was coming to give you an update. Okay, sorry. I guess if my stream's on, the music's not playing, so I'll go without music. Sorry for the long delay and slow getting here, but I wanted to give everybody an update on my thought of the financial markets. They're looking pretty scary right now. I see a major stock market correction coming and a major Bitcoin correction coming. Right now, pre-market SQQQ, which is the ETF I was telling you about last time in my video, that's short the NASDAQ with 3 times leverage. That's been taking off like a rocket lately, but it's really volatile in the daytime. And so if you do get SQQ as a hedge against downside risk, and it does go up and you have a good profit, sell it, get out of it, take the profit. You don't want to hold it overnight because market news can make it open up way lower. And in general, it has a large decay rate and high decay rate. And it's not meant to be held overnight like a stock. I will hold it overnight during short periods of time, maybe for a few days, but that's about it. And even that's risky. But I believe QQQ is going to sell off today. I believe Bitcoin is going to sell off today. And so the one stock that I like is Reddit. I think Reddit's probably the best stock to get right now. It's only valued market cap at a 6 or 7 billion versus Meta's 1.5 trillion and Google's 2 trillion and Nvidia's 2 trillion. And I understand Reddit is not the same company as those, but it's like getting Google when they were early. It's like getting Facebook before it had Instagram and became Meta, and on and on. I don't need to keep giving examples. You get the point. So anyways, I do like Reddit stock long. I am short the stock market via SQQQ for disclaimer purposes, and also I am short Bitcoin. I've short Bitcoin since 2017 on and off. I've put a lot of time into it. And one of the reasons I shorted is because I really think the Bitcoin industry is rigged. The cryptocurrency industry is rigged. There's a lot of smoke and mirrors that go on, and they cheat customers, actually. Meaning one of the common cheats that the industry practices is when the market prices move substantially in one direction and they're favorable prices for you to either buy or sell, the exchange will go offline and you won't be able to access the exchange, and they therefore not buy or sell at the premium prices or preferred prices. And what's crazy is that I don't really use Coinbase, but they're supposed to be the darling of the cryptocurrency industry as a publicly traded company and supposed to be the good guys kind of in a not so good guy industry. And recently when Bitcoin hit its all-time highs, several hundred users all reported logging into Coinbase and seeing a $0 balance in their account, aka they were unable to sell at all-time highs. And I don't think that's a coincidence. I imagine we'll probably see some class action lawsuits coming out of this scenario against Coinbase. And anyway, I'm getting on a long rant here, but I just wanted to update everybody, anyone who's actually watching this. Then I expect and suppose you watched previous videos and you've benefited from the advice I've been sharing in the past. I won't be blogging much or vlogging or podcasting, whatever you want to call it. I just kind of share my thoughts randomly, but I do like to warn people on market crashes because I am an experienced short seller of the markets, and everything looks like we got a big crash coming. So buyer beware. And I think Reddit's a good buy long term, really good buy long term, although I think they'll probably be acquired by Google within a few years. We'll see. All right. Take care, guys.